today for Ellie's Studio, and I am sharing with you this large photo layout, an 8.5 by 11 layout created using the new Title Builder Volume 5 collection. So included in this collection is a stamp set. That's the main focus. And then you have some chipboard stickers, puffy stickers, as well as some vellum die cuts. So this picture is actually 8.5 by 11. I printed it at that size with a large format picture, and the rest of it is super simple. The title / journaling consists of the elements in this collection, and you can see I've stuck with pretty much a very simple color palette: black, red, white, and then gold. So I'm going to apologize in advance for my big old head, which you are going to see a fair amount throughout this layout. I am doing a lot of stamping, and when I'm stamping, I like to stand over my stamping to get the weight behind it, as well as see where exactly it is that I am stamping. So I have used a thin strip of the Wonder paper stack at the top there. I like the way that the weight of that red balances out with the red at the bottom, as well as the cat at the top. So she was a kitten. At this point, I think Luna was 6 months old-ish, 5-6 months old, and this was Christmas morning around breakfast time anyway. So reading the whole way down, it is going to say, "This is the most magical Christmas moment," and then you kind of have a pause, "Bring on the Christmas cheer." And so I am alternating using the different elements. So you can see I stamped on a blank white chipboard banner. This is the most in black. And now I am stamping magical, and you have two options with magical. You can either stamp magic, or you can put the AL at the end to make it magical, which is what I did. You can see how Mary has two options. It's Mare-E or Mare-Eist, and I love that you can use the same stamp to get that same option. So Christmas is one of the vellum die cuts, and then moment is actually going to be moments. And I am just going to use I use the sticky side of a Post-it note. There you go. And I just literally stick it on there, ink it up, and then pull off the Post-it note. That's what I use for blocking when I am stamping. I have some stuff from ThermoWeb too, but Post-it notes are super easy to pull out instead of having to open the packaging. So that is with VersaFine Red that I am using there. That is my, third stamped item. And then I will use a fourth stamped item, followed by the one of the holly stamps, the holly berries and the holly. Usually with Title Builder, you will always get some type of embellishment that comes with it. So with this one, you can see you have that long skinny heart, and then sort of raised for exclamation of bright or joy. And then you have the holly berries and the holly outline, and then the holly solid. And you can make so many amazing titles / journaling with this. This is my third year. I'm wrapping up my third year designing with Elle Studio. And every time I have this as an option to choose as one of my blog posts, this is what I go for because I love Title Builder so much. So right now you can purchase a bundle. Megan has said that there are not many left. So if you want to get that good deal, be sure to head over there ASAP. I wouldn't wait too long. And you can actually bundle this if you are a subscriber and have it sent with the rest of your kit. And the remainder of the stamp set, so this is volume 5, so the 4 other stamp sets are also 20% off. It's amazing what you can do with the titles with these things. And the nice thing too is that a PDF comes with it, and so lists all of your mix and match options that you have with the stamp set. So be sure to head to my link down below and you can pick that up. So there I have put the puffy sticker in red. I forgot to put the dot on the eye, but I will do that. I've noticed that as I took as I edited the pictures that I shared for the blog post. So I have actually gone in now and put that little red dot on the top there. I forget. Sometimes I can't tell if it's fallen off or if I've forgotten to stick it, but in this case, I have forgotten to stick it there. So there is all of the verbiage that'll be on there. I am going to add a little bit more embellishment. Super, super simple. You can see it doesn't need anything more, but it definitely, these products allow you to make a big statement, right? I feel like that's what I've done here. So I am going to use one of the pink puffy stars just to punctuate. It is a slightly different color, but it goes well with her ears because her ear is pink in that in while you're looking at the screen on the right hand side. And then two little gold stars on the either side of magical. I just think it adds to that magical effect. Then the last thing that I'm going to do is get some red and white striped, like a candy cane, baker's twine, and I will tie a bow and glue that on there. So um, thousands of options with this title builder stamp as well as the add-ons. You know, you have lots of options with the stamp itself, and it's literally a full page, 3 columns of, I'm going to just hazard a guess, maybe 50, so at least 150 options. Then throw in the puffy stickers and the chipboard stickers and the vellum, and you have tons of options, right? It's amazing. Can you see this in your December daily? I have so many ideas already. I've jotted down a million ideas of things that I want to do in my December daily with this. Plus, you could mix it with the other title builder stuff and expand that even more exponentially. Can you imagine? Oh, so good. So good. So that, my friends, is me adding the bow and wrapping it up. So the close-ups are to follow, as I always do. If you have any questions about the product, please don't hesitate to leave them in the box down below. Thank you for stopping in today. I hope you are doing well, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care.